Hi, so I'm testing the screen recording for this LG phone. I have my app on here, PDXWalk. I've already agreed to use location. I already set up my map. There it is with that. Show downloaded MBT tiles list. There's a bunch I've uploaded to test with. Portland, I got it to zoom of 17. I've selected that. I'm already there. I already have my breadcrumbs feature going. Breadcrumbs off. Let's just turn that off. So this is East Portland, Powell Butte, people would go there from 162nd Street, drive up the hill, and the parking is here now. It's different than it used to be after the water projects. So this is getting data from a file I already downloaded. Does not need internet access at this point. And then Springwater Trails down here. The OpenStreetMap data includes lines and multi-string lines, and both will be present here on no, they didn't pick that up right. This larger yellow here is a segment. Segment number 219. So there's at least 219 segments on the 40-mile loop for the bicycle path around Portland. The elevation from left to right, so west to east, there's nothing interesting here. The blue selected line here is a trail, and you can see the elevation. Let's redraw that marker. It goes from 318 feet to 580 feet. Zoom in a bit. This trail has always been troublesome. When I hike in the past, years ago, I hunted for this trail and I could never find it. Or I not always find it. I mean, occasionally I'd see it and sometimes not. But it's just a slight downhill for 150 feet, roughly, and then you can climb back up. But if you walk this trail, if I press and hold, it gets the nearest pinches. I'm using the pinch thing to reduce it there. Because it's hard to see the start and end of a trail. When designing this, I tried to use a circle like here, and then a square to do the ends. I've got the end of this one here is so when's a square for the end? It's in the center there. And it starts at a circle, but some start and end at the same point, so it gets hard to see. I left my circles and squares in there, but get that number thingy over there. Breadcrumbs. So I have the tiled map, and then I have a separate file, path name search. And I have a file. It contains all the vector data for paths and the cycleways for 11 western states in one huge file. Go to map. So I could even turn off set to no map at all. So this is the vector data. So as I slide the map, it will hunt for, it'll hunt the database for nearby paths to the center of the map. So even if you had no tile map, you could find a map or a trail